In this video, we're going to witness a demonstration of urge surfing. Urge surfing is a technique that can help people ride out their cravings without necessarily acting on them, much like a surfer rides a wave. In this demonstration, an alcohol and drug worker will guide a client, Matt, through an urge surfing exercise to help with the cravings that he's experiencing for methamphetamine. Hi Matt, good to see you. How you doing today?
Oh, not great, to tell you the truth. I'm just having these really intense cravings for meth, and I just can't get it out of my head. And I've been drinking a lot more just to sort of deal with it.
Okay, right. Well, look, I'm sorry to hear it's been a challenge. Look, I'm wondering, I know we had a few things to do today, but a couple of weeks ago we were talking about this idea of urge surfing, and
Yes.
I'm wondering if that's something that we might kind of bring back in and try again now, given what you've just said.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm willing to give anything a go. Absolutely.
Some people find it helpful to just take a comfortable position.
Yep.
And
Yep.
that could be things like feet flat on the floor, your back up against the chair.
Yep.
And with urge surfing, you can keep your eyes open or closed, whatever feels comfortable for you. And in fact, you might want to try both during this just to see what works.
Oh, I'll try with my eyes closed first and see how we go. Yeah, cool.
Okay, sure.
worries.
So just get you to, when you're comfortable, just start focusing on your breathing. So don't try and change it or anything, just breathing in and out. And then just want to invite you to, if you can, to kind of think about where are you feeling this craving at the moment? Where is it located in part of your body? Are you feeling it anywhere?
Yeah, I feel it like really tight in my chest.
Yeah.
And my hands, they feel all clammy. Like, yeah, I just can't stop moving my hands.
So you're feeling it in your chest and in your hands?
Mm-hmm.
Sure. So just keep breathing in and out. And when you're ready, just like you to start thinking about that craving, that tightness, what you're feeling and what you're feeling in the hands, and imagine it a bit like a wave on the ocean. So if you were looking out on the ocean, a wave that is rising. Imagine the craving is like that wave. Can you picture that?
Yeah, it's definitely it's a big wave.
Like it's feeling big. Sure. Okay. So really important here, I just want you to observe the wave. Don't try and push it away. Don't try and fight against it. Just want you to notice it. Does it feel like it's peaking?
Yeah, I think it's pretty big now. It's at the peak, yes. Yep.
Okay. So waves like we know on the ocean, they rise, but they also fall. And I want you to imagine when that wave gets to the peak, that you're a surfer and that you're riding that wave. You've been riding it up, you've been riding that craving, and when it starts to fall, that you're a surfer riding down with it. Where does it feel at the moment? Is it still at its peak, or is it starting to fall?
Yeah, it's starting to get a bit less now. Yeah.
So the wave is
Getting smaller. Yep.
You're riding it. Again, don't push against it. Don't fight it. You're riding that wave. It may start to go up again. If it does, you're a surfer. You're riding that wave. But then does it start to go down again, like a wave in the ocean?
Yes, it's a lot smaller now, the wave, yes.
It feels like it's smaller?
Yes, a lot smaller.
Just stay with that. Keep breathing in and out. Just noticing the rise and the fall. Then when you're ready, Matt, just get you to open your eyes, because I see you've got them closed for this. Just open them and just notice a couple of things around the room. And can I check in with you? Just how you doing at the moment?
Yeah, I feel a lot better. I still feel the craving, but it's a lot less than what it was. It's like I was able to watch it sort of come and go, and I feel, yeah.
Okay, sure. Now, urge surfing is not something that we expect to take away cravings completely. In fact, the whole idea here is that we notice them, that we ride them like a surfer, but we don't have to act on them. Now, that can be a very helpful technique. If you found it helpful now, that could be something that maybe we look at putting into place when these things come up and, during the week, because they do take practice. And I'm wondering if it would be okay to have a bit of a chat around how you might be able to fit this into your week going forward so that you are getting some practice for the times that you might need this.
Yeah, I'm definitely interested to give it a go. Yeah.
Sure. As we've seen in this example, urge surfing can be a helpful technique in alcohol and drug work. While it's not designed to get rid of cravings, with practice, it's an option that can help people build ways to cope with cravings when they inevitably do show up. The main things that we're aiming for with urge surfing include finding a way to help clients to observe their cravings without judgment, because a non-judgmental stance helps to reduce any of the guilt and the shame that's often associated with these experiences, allowing clients to see that their urges are normal human experiences. Clients also learn that they can experience their craving without trying to suppress it or the need to act on it. And this is important because cravings are uncomfortable, and techniques like urge surfing can help individuals to sit with that discomfort and gradually reduce the intensity and the frequency of cravings over time. Urge surfing also emphasizes that cravings are temporary sensations that come and go, just like the waves in the ocean, and that they'll pass naturally. And as a technique, urge surfing can also enhance a client's skills in general by fostering self-awareness and emotional regulation. And with that, clients can be encouraged to apply this skill in their daily lives and across many situations. So to take the analogy from urge surfing, it's not about avoiding the waves, but helping clients to learn how to surf them.